Okay, so today, in this video, we're going to talk about area between curves, but this time we're going to modify it a little bit. Why? Because what happens if we have two functions and the region that we want to find the area of, that it includes a point or multiple points where the graphs switch places. And so we're going to modify this a little bit to handle those situations, okay? Because if we were trying to find the top function and we want to subtract the top function from the bottom function, well, what happens if those two switch, right? We're going to get negative values, right? And so area can never be negative. So we'll end up subtracting off negative numbers, and our areas are going to be wrong. So in order to handle the possibility of that happening, we're going to modify this by adding absolute value signs, okay, to the formula, to the function here. So the theorem says that, again, same as before, let f and g be continuous over a closed interval a, b, and let R denote the region between the graphs f of x and g of x, and are also bounded on left and right by x equals a, the left endpoint, and x equals b, the right endpoint, respectively. So then the area of R is then given by this. So basically the same as the last theorem, except now we're adding absolute value signs because to handle the case where we have the graphs of those functions switch or intersect. So now we're going to do an example. So we'll come back, we'll do an example of what we mean by that, of when that happens. Okay, see that?